Alright guys, lay your eyes on this project car. Holy frig, what a great car. 1966 Pontiac Tempest, North Bay, Ontario. Guy wants $8,000 for it. Like, frig. I would snag on this in a heartbeat if I had $8,000. Not gonna lie. So you say, I'll just show you the price. Yeah, 8,000. Not too bad, really. I mean, he's got a lot here, to be honest. I think it's a great deal. Like I said, I'd buy it in a heartbeat. Wouldn't even question it. The price. So he says he's selling his 1966 Pontiac Tempest with the ownership. It was his winter project, but he doesn't have the time for it anymore. Serious inquiries only. More pictures available upon request. Car is in great shape with lots of parts, but is a full restoration. The body and frame are extremely solid. A lot of the car is original paint. I had the frame sandblasted and epoxied. Comes complete with new body mount kit. Also comes with a GTO hood, which is on the car. And he's got the stock Tempest hood. Excuse me. Stock Tempest hood in perfect shape. Complete non-numbers matching 326 motor and 350 transmission. He's got many miscellaneous original parts such as the gas tank. He's got the rad heater box, most of the chrome trim. Most of all the interior panels have been redone in black. Both front and rear bench seats are in decent shape. Full gauge cluster has been cleaned up and reassembled. Complete steering column, etc. I mean, this is a pretty good package if you're looking for a project car for sure. I mean, I'm just not gonna lie, I'm mad I can't buy it. Let's go through the pictures here. So we said most of this, like a cream colored yellow, is original color, I guess. So, oh, skipped one. So here's the dash. I mean, you know what? It looks like it's pretty solid. I bet you wouldn't have to do much work in here. Maybe just a wire brush clean up, maybe. You would hope you could get away with just like a wire brush and a wire wheel to clean all this up and then epoxy it and then throw some maybe Eastwood painter down or something like that, or maybe some POR 15 or something to that nature, right? And maybe not too sure what to do, but the dash you could just paint it whatever, I guess. What a great project car though, frig. Looks pretty solid in here though. I mean, like I said, I just go at it with a wire wheel. I mean, it doesn't look like it's, unless there's some pinholes in there, maybe there could be, who knows. But yeah, frig, not bad. Like, even if it needed some metal work, it'd still be worth it in the long run, just because it's a, you know, it's not rare, but it's a 66 Tempest. You know, to find like you could build like a GTO clone out of this easy. Just got a bare bones Tempest, so not too shabby really. So there's the motor. It's 326, I guess. It's got a few little speed parts on it, Edelbrock intake, Mickey Thompson valve covers. Yeah, put 400 or something in it. Whatever. Some kind of a Pontiac engine for sure. There's the frame. Like, I mean, yeah, it's all epoxied painted and nice job done to it, looks like. Rear end in it and all that jazz. Not too bad, just drop the body on it. So there's the interior panels here. Looks like I said I had them all redone in black there, so they look not too bad either. A lot of parts he's got here though. But yeah, the cluster doesn't look too shabby actually. It's all cleaned up for sure. Looks like he's got some mufflers there. Just some odds and sods, I guess. There's a steering column there. I mean, you know what? Like I said, yeah, you could do anything with this car as a transmission. Modern drivetrain in it, fuel injection. What a great, great project though to have. Frig, yeah. I don't know what I would do. Like, you could just leave it like that. You know, throw some primer on it. make it look like a ratty GTO or something like that. That would be kind of cool, actually. What would I drop in it for a drivetrain? Definitely not a small block Chevy for sure. It's either got to be, well, I don't know. It's either got to be Pontiac or LS or something like that, maybe. It kind of defeats the purpose of me saying a small block Chevy. But, oh well. Yeah, like, I don't know. If you could find like a 400 or something for it, put a 400 in it. 400, turbo 400 trans or something like that. Be a good street ripper though if you had it all done up right, cleaned up. Just a great looking old car though. I like these old GTOs and Tempest. Cool looking cars for sure. It'd be worth it to fix it too, because it would, you know, like, even if you got it all cleaned up and stuff and whatever, it'd still be worth quite a bit. There's a lot of people still paying big bucks for these, so I'm sure this guy is gonna get $8,000 for it, no question. It'll be interesting to see how long it stays on Marketplace, that's for sure. Yeah, like I said, I'm just mad that I can't buy it. That's that's all. I mean, frig. What a great car. Yeah, there's the, oh shit. Yeah, there's the beige interior there. It's almost like a wine color, like a white wine color almost, sort of. But yeah, not bad really. Got a whack of stuff with it, so definitely worth the $8K that he's asking. I wouldn't really argue with him, not with all that stuff with it, so. But yeah, nice, great car. Yeah, for sure. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that little bit there, and we'll talk to you later. Cheers, thanks a lot.